get ready with me.
And go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weave, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weave, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weave, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead.
Okay, guys, today no lashes because I'm gonna be doing a lot of walking. My makeup done with the look I can do, so no lashes today because it might be a bit too windy. My eyes are tearing off. I got mascara from the shop yesterday, so I think with a bit of mascara, okay. When I don't have mascara, I like to put lashes. When I have mascara and it's not too much of a glam look, I can do without the lashes. So I'm gonna do without the lashes today. And it's a 2.5 hour walk. So I'm gonna get going, you know, put my shoes on, my jacket, and I'm gonna go. And this is today's feet. I'm wearing the same shoes from yesterday, yes. Suit me.
So during the Soviet times, the team from Moscow called CSKA, which stands for the Red Army, would come here. So with such a name, it meant more to defeat such a team than just, you know, demolish. And actually there is another one.
You can always get a notification every time I Lizzie Atkins upload your content.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine.